My name is Gabriel. Today, let's explore the ocean. This is MarineScope. MarineScope is a Python program that lets you explore marine animals using real scientific data. It is designed for students, researchers, and anyone curious about marine life. It pulls species data from worms, occurrence and habitat data from OBIS, and descriptions from Wikipedia. These are official scientific databases used by researchers, not random internet sources. You can search using scientific names like Orcinus orca, common names like the killer whale, or even through an API ID. MarineScope automatically detects whether the input is a scientific name, an API ID, or a common name. You can also add new species directly into MarineScope, allowing you to input a new species that you have found. The interface is built with PyQt6, featuring dark mode, smooth scrolling, and fast navigation. The code handles API calls, filters invalid data, merges results, and displays everything in one clean interface. To keep everything fast, MarineScope uses API caching and parallel requests so the app never freezes. Using MarineScope, you can access reliable marine science data easily without having to jump between multiple databases. I hope that MarineScope can be useful for you. Thank you!